Okay. Hi. Today I'm explaining about another animation principle, pendulum swinging. Okay. So this is very important. Before this, already we observed this bouncing ball with shades also. Okay. We learned few things from that assignment. This is pendulum action. Let us check actually what is this. So by pressing Control Enter, yes, check this. So this is normal wall clock pendulum. Okay, so it swings left to right, right to left continuously. Okay, so this is normal pendulum action. But generally pendulum action, if you observe the actions from the both side corners at the starting position here, the pendulum is swinging bit slowly. At the reaching area, the last end reaching slowly. The middle position here, it is swinging rapidly. Okay, so moving faster here. The left and right side edges when it is starting position and ending position. Suppose here it is starting slow, with the slow it is starting and gaining speed the middle, at middle, and it reaches the second corner with the slow, and from slow again here it is starting with the slow and again it is reaching slow. The between these two the action will be very faster. So okay, so this first and last, the corners will say as a pose 1 and pose 2. Okay, and here it is breakdown or passing position. I'll explain clearly what is breakdown and passing position. With this assignment, actually the things we are learning, the four type of things we are learning. The one is path of action, 2 slow in slow out, and key poses, breakdown or passing position. Okay, so this is breakdown and passing position, and pose 1 and pose 2 are key poses. Okay, slow in and slow out, I'll explain. And path of action, so path of action I'll explain now. See here, I gave the proper name for this. So this is a learning text, and this is pendulum action, and these are the pose 1 text, and this is breakdown and this is pose 2, and these are the actions, right. So you can on the unlock this, then you will understand about things. Unlock few things. Yeah, unlock this. Now if you observe here, by pressing onion skin, check the pendulum actions now. See there, here the positions are very closer. Okay, so gaps are very closer, and slowly it is increasing gaps. Okay, increasing gaps. Here it is a middle position. Okay, and here again after that slowly it is decreasing gap and reaching at its topmost area. Okay, there the action will be slower. So more gaps means action will be slower. see gaps, less gaps. Suppose here less gap. The less gap means drawings will be closer, so action will be slower here. The more gaps are more, frames are less, so that means the action will be very faster here. So that is the reason here the middle position it is swinging fastly, and the left and right corners the pendulum swinging slowly. Okay, so pose 1 and pose 2. Now here I'll draw one simple diagram here. Now we'll understand that. Suppose this is my line. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'll place here one round. The two I want exactly center, so by pressing Alt and Shift you'll get exact circle of that. Okay, yes, delete this because I want object drawing mode. Okay, so this is the center, and with Shift draw one line. Okay, and with this oval shape you draw one circle in center. That too press Alt and Shift and you will get exact circle at center. Yes, this is now what I'm doing, actually I want two main key poses I'm keeping. Okay, suppose this is there. So now what I'm doing, I fill with some color. So instead of white I'm using some light color. Yes, you can use this for timing, and you can reduce this outline. I mean completely you can remove this outline. No outline. Yes, now this is my pendulum. So next what I'll do, select this, okay, and press here the free transform tool. Okay, before that what you do, after selecting, right click on that and convert to symbol. Okay, so you can make symbol at this point. This reference point, the registration point must be there at top here, and say OK. Okay, and now press on, click this and press on this free transform tool. So you'll get free transform tool, then you can double click on that. Okay, so that it will reach this corner, because already we used registration point at the top. Okay, next what we do, you can move one side. Okay, can move one side of this. Suppose control Z. This I'll keep at 7th, 6, 7, Yes. Now you can copy this, copy frame, and I'm pasting here. Right click and paste, but this one I'm moving up to here. This is okay, and then I'm creating another key pose. Okay, another key pose at 13th. Okay, I'll explain the procedure and all. So this is 15, 14 and 13. Insert suppose I'll copy this and I'll paste. Okay, I pasted this, but I want this side. So then what I'll do, from modify, okay, from transform, flip vertical, no, control Z. So I think it can be horizontal. You can try this. Yes, this side. Now we can on the onion skin so that you will see that. Yes, see, this is pose 1 and this is pose 2. Okay, here I'll write here I'll write and separate layer. Okay, pose 1. Okay, and here it is pose 2. So here, right, pose 2. Yes, you can change the color also, make it black. Yes, now you can see this, right? So pose 1 and pose 2, these are important poses. Okay, without this the center one, the pendulum action will be straight. Suppose look like yes. Suppose without this the pendulum action will be straight. Okay, because the important drawing here we are missing. So without this the pendulum action in a straight way horizontally it moves, but that is not pendulum. Actually the pendulum always moves in a particular curve. It takes curve, starts there and attached to that side, and from there to here it is continuously swinging left to right, right to left, but it cannot swing in a perfect horizontal way. Okay, so it swings in a arc, but these both keyframes are important for this action, but only with these two keyframes you are unable to create actual pendulum action. Okay, so this middle force very important. So that is the reason we are saying this pose as breakdown. So here I'm giving name here, the properties panel, label name pose 1, pose 1. Here and timeline it is displaying here. For this frame I'm giving pose 2, pose 2. Okay, here the red mark is displaying here, the both sides red marks are the poses, main key poses. And here it is breakdown, BD, BET, or passing position, passing position. Okay, so this is very important frame. Without this middle frame there will be no pendulum action. Yes, there will be no pendulum action. So like these two keyframes, this middle frame also very important. But in initial stage we are not placing this. First we placed this pose, and you can copy and paste it that side. Then we created this and this two key poses, but with the help of these two key poses we are not generating this action because it goes horizontally, straightly, okay, left to right and right to left. So it is not the pendulum action. So for the perfect pendulum action you want one more frame. So this is what actual the breakdown or passing position. Okay, so because of this it's creating the path. So we'll do that, the path, how to do that. Yes, this path, Control X and we paste in separate layer. Control Z, Control Shift V, paste in place. Yes. Now what you do, we are creating path because the middle frame it is showing path. Because of this we are creating this path. Within this it swings. So you have to match this. Yes, it's okay. But this path is not good actually. I'll create a yes. Yeah, I'll give lines because okay. Now you can copy and Control Shift V and paste in paste. Yes. Yes, this is okay. Okay, so this you can Control S. Give the assignment a number here. This is a number wise. It's 25th. Pendulum. end procedure. Okay, so this is called path of action. Path of action. Okay, lock this. So this is path of action, and this is the poses, and these are pendulums, right? So we had three poses. Actually, two poses are the main key poses, first and second. This is breakdown. I can type here. This is white. Okay, I'll check here. Can remove this. Yeah, this is breakdown or passing position. Passing position. Okay, so you can keep this in center. Okay, and here this is pose 2 mistakenly removed, so I can keep this pose 2. Yes, so that give a color change, something we give. Yes, make it a Control S. Yes, now we arrange nicely. Yes, this is okay. Pose 1 and pose 2. Here it is breakdown or passing portion, right? First here I'll explain one ladder here. It is very important. Okay, so we are planning a 1 second animation of pendulum. Okay, in 1 second, starts there at first frame and reaches 13th frame, and again it goes back and reaches its first frame. Okay, so continuously it swings. So for one side swinging, suppose here it is start to end, and again from end to start, going right side top and coming left side at start point, it reaches start point. It can be one swing of that pendulum. So for that action it takes 1 second. So 1 second it goes and comes, so that is. So for that, in a traditional classical animation, we have a theory for that, slow in slow out theory. Okay, by using this theory only, we have to plan entire pendulum action. So for that, here I write Suppose pose one here. So here this is pose 1, okay, and this is pose 2, this end, okay. So it is showing what? First drawing, and this is last drawing, and here it is breakdown or passing position, to indicate that exactly these two drawings between we are planning this. So that is the reason here we plan exact center one line by giving this line center line. Yes, this is so dividing this line, these two pendulums. Here you can name it the same. This is so breakdown or passing position. This is okay, right. Now between this and this we have to plan other balls, other frames, okay. So exactly here one will make, and again exactly another one will come, and exactly another one will come, and here other frames also will come, okay. So that I'll explain in the next class, because this is very important. You have to understand the theory first, what the key poses, what the breakdown or passing positions, how to prepare your path, okay. So how many frames for the pendulum action we are giving, okay, and what is the ladder. Suppose this is a ladder, this is ladder. I'm changing the text. This is ladder. So I'll change this color because it is not highlighting. Control S. Okay. So today we studied this. I'll explain about this. This is the toughest thing. First we have to learn the pendulum action, and then it swings the tail. So if you want to see this, see now. Along with the pendulum, we attach a small some thread type. It also swinging along with this pendulum. That is this the secondary actions, follow throughs, okay. So that I'll explain a separate concept wise. So first you have to understand this one, this pendulum, okay. So with this pendulum we learn path of action, slow in, slow out, key poses, breakdowns or passing position. So how to add the other this in betweens, I'll explain in the next class, okay. So you can study this and understand this, and if you have any doubt please ask, okay. So thank you.